In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log work time in Jira Atlassian. If you've ever needed to track production time, document development work, or submit weekly engineering hours, you already know how frustrating it can be when you can't immediately find the work tracking area. The good news is that Jira makes this process much more straightforward once you know exactly where to look and how the format works. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the right issue, access the log work panel, enter your time correctly, add the date and description, use a keyboard shortcut, and then confirm that everything was saved properly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira site, or sign in through the standard Atlassian login page if needed. After your dashboard loads, open the project you're currently working in and select the specific issue you want to update. This could be a task, user story, or bug ticket. The key here is to make sure you're inside the exact issue where you want the time recorded. Once the issue is open, look around the issue details view for the log work option. You'll usually find it near the main action area under the issue title, or sometimes in the panel on the right side. Click Log Work once to open the time tracking window. This is where all of your work log details will be entered. In the time spent field, type your time using Jira's shorthand format. For example, enter 2H for 2 hours, 45 members for 45 minutes, or 1D4H if you need to log a longer block of time. Using the correct format is important because Jira reads these values directly and uses them in reporting and time estimates. Next, set the date started field so it matches the day the work actually happened. Right below that, enter a short and clear note in the work description box. Keep it professional and specific so anyone reviewing the ticket can quickly understand what was completed. If you prefer working faster from the keyboard, there's also a shortcut. With the issue open and no text field selected, press the W key. Jira will open the same log work window without requiring you to click anything, which can be especially useful if you log time frequently. When everything looks correct, click the Save or Log button in the bottom right corner of the window. Jira will store the work log, update the issue's time tracking information, and close the panel. As a final check, look at the issue's time tracking section and confirm that your logged hours and description now appear correctly. That's it. You now know how to log work in Jira quickly, accurately, and with much less frustration. Thanks for watching, and